How's it going on, guys? It's Rapid Blaster here. Today I am going to show you how to make a kick panel in Roblox Studio. So let's get to it. So first thing I want you to do is I want you to click the link in the description and it will bring you to this page. Now what I want you to do is I want you to click get and click get now. It's for free and it won't cost you anything. So this is just the base panel that we're going to script. So now what I want you to do is I want you to open the toolbox and it will appear here. I want you to and click it and then click OK. The reason it has a script is just for the button that shows it and disables it, this thing. So now what I want you to do is I want you to open the kick panel. Now one sec, it's just a bit incorrectly scaled for me, so I just moved it a bit to make it scaled. So now what I want you to do is I want you to click the open name eventer, click plus on it and add a local script. So right now I want to show you something. So if we type in our username, it will stay in red. So what I want to do is I want to make it so that you can open you can enter your name and it will turn green, and if you so it checks if the player's in the playlist, and if they are, the text will turn to green. So let's do that, shall we? So let's just rename the script to design. Now what I want you to do is I want you to type in a wait to, and I want you to do while wait parentheses do. Now in this I want you to type if game dot players find first child, actually no, if not game dot players, okay, find first child script dot parent dot text then. So if they're not in the game, the text will stay to red. So let's do that. Script dot parent dot text color 3 equals to color 3 dot new parentheses, and let's put that to red so it stays red. Now what we need to do is we need to make it check if the player is in the game, then it will turn the text to green. So if game dot players find first child script dot parent dot text then script dot parent dot text color 3 equals to color 3 dot new parentheses, and now what we should do is we should put it to green. So now that that's done, let's test it. So if we just do, if we type in our username, half done, it doesn't work. But if we type in our full username properly, it turns to green. And if we move it back, it turns to red again. So it's basically like a search thing. It searches if the player's in the game. So now that that's done, we need to make the actual kicking mechanism. So first thing I want you to do is I want you to go into replicator storage, insert a remote event, a remote event, and rename this to on kick. Now what I want you to do is I want you to open the kick button, click plus on it, and insert a local script. Now rename this local script to panel handler because it handles the panel. And now what I want you to do is I want you to do script dot parent dot mouse button one click can't connect function parentheses, enter. And now what I want you to do is game dot replicated storage dot on kick fire server. Now what we need to do is we need to add the actual the text inside this box, which is going to be the username, and enter the reason you want to kick this user. So what we need to do is first is enter the name. So script dot parent dot name of name enter. And now what we need to do is we need to do comma. No, we need to do name enter dot text comma script dot parent dot reason enter dot text. Now we need to do script dot parent dot touch tap colon connect parentheses function parentheses and then enter. And all we need to do is we need to copy this long line that we've written and paste it in here. And now that's our client done. Now we need to actually manage it in the server. This is because filtering enabled is in this game. So add a script in server script service and rename it to server kick. And now we get rid of the print hello world. We do game dot replicated storage dot on kick dot on server event con connect function parentheses, and we're going to add the player who's actually done the kick thing. And now what we need to do is we need to do the name of the person we want to kick, so name kick, and now another comma, and we need to do the reason kick, so the reason kick. So now what we need to do is we need to do name kick colon kick parentheses, and we do the reason kick in here, so the reason we're kicking them. Now let's enter again, and let's do okay. Now first, okay, get rid of this line again, and now let's do print player dot name dot string space has kicked dot name kick, and let's add a colon there. Okay, so now what we need to do is enter again, and let's do name kick colon kick, and let's add the reason kick in. So let's just check if it's if it works properly. So let's do publish to Roblox and play. So let's just add Joseph Campman, and then let's add test. Okay, so that doesn't work. So okay. It's in here. I don't understand what's happened. So if we go into the kick button, script.parent.name.text, reason enter. Oh, nil value. So let's get rid of this, and let's do game.players colon find first child name kick colon kick reason kick. So what we actually done was we thought that it was a name kick, but actually it was we had to actually like go into the players and find the name kick text. So now let's test it. So if we do Joseph Campman, and let's do lols get kick and click enter, it kicks us from the experience, and it will do it for anyone else as well. So now what we need to do is we need to make it so that it's only visible for us. So make the background invisible. Add a script in server script service and make it kick visibility. And put the kick panel inside the kick visibility script. And now what I want you to do is I want you to go onto your Roblox account profile. So I'm on my profile right now. So if we go to Rapid Luster, my Roblox profile, and if we just copy the string of numbers inside the URL, and then I want you to go into the script and do game.players.player added colon connect parentheses function parentheses player, and then enter. And let's do if player dot user ID is equal to this string of numbers, then so it will check that it's us. So then if it's us, it will paste this script into our GUI. So let's do, and if you want to add someone else, then just do or, and add their string of numbers here. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to script dot kick panel clone parentheses dot parent equals to player can't wait for child parentheses player GUI. Also, everything is cap sensitive, so you have to like copy this exactly how I did it, and that should be our script done. So let's test it in a server. So let's go into let's join the actual game. Where is it? Let's go on to my recent played. And let's join it. Alright, we're in. Now I'm gonna join on. Now you can see the kick shows for us because our user ID was pasted in. So now what we need to do is we need to go onto Roblox. Now this is my alt account, so pretend this is the victim that you want to kick. So the victim is in your game. Let's just join it right now. So look, this is the noob we want to kick. So let's go into our thing. You can see the panel does not show for them because their user ID is not in, our user ID is in. So say this dude is being annoying. We want to type in their name, epic dude 1261, and do note that it's their username, because anybody can have the same display name. So now what we need to do is we need to do test kick. No, we need to add a reason to them. So I'm just gonna add test kick, comma, colon, being kinda annoying. Well, okay. So now, if we want to kick them, let's do kick, and they're gone, and it turns to red because they can't find them in the playlist. And if we go to the server, Joseph Catman has kicked Epic Dude 1261. So it says the player, us, the instigator, has kicked the victim. So now you can see it says the reason for being kicked here, test kick being kind of annoying, lol. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to comment, subscribe, like, turn on the post notifications, and join my Discord server as well. And I'll see you all in the next video. See ya.